What if I told you a simple invention redefined wars forever? Yep, we're talking about the first firearms. Picture this, it's the late 1300s. Battles were fought with swords, bows and spears, but then, boom, the first firearms hit the scene. Early guns, called hand cannons, were game changers. They were clunky and slow, but boy, did they pack a punch. Instead of up-close combat, warriors could now strike from afar. Imagine the shock of facing a weapon you couldn't see coming. By the 15th century, firearms got better, they became more powerful and accurate. Armies started to rely on them. Castles and knights, not so invincible anymore. Firearms reshaped military strategies and even politics. The world as we knew it transformed, and it all started with those early clumsy hand cannons. Want more mind-blowing history? Hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.